Hey guys, Tony here. Just finished running for a little bit, but someone did bring something to my attention, which is basically the Ethereum Classic chart and the Dogecoin chart. They are basically identical, 100%. Like, they look absolutely identical. You guys can see the charts here. The month chart, Ethereum. Again, month chart, Dogecoin. I really think that Ethereum Classic is 100% leading the way of Doge. So as of right now, you know, ETC had a run to 90 bucks, absolutely insane. Had a pullback, and then same thing happened. Had a run, 52, had a small pullback. But I think as far as actually charts matching up together, 100%. It does look like Ethereum and Dogecoin are matching up almost T to T, and obviously you can even see that Coinbase is matching them up with a 95% correlation. So usually what this means is that you know, Coinbase obviously sees a pattern of coins that are moving together, and immediately I'm thinking people that are putting their money into Coinbase are also into Dogecoin, are also throwing it at Ethereum Classic, because they're looking how hard Ethereum is actually rallying, and you know, they don't have the money to actually invest 3,000 bucks, but they do have the cash to put in for a coin that's worth, you know, a fraction of that. The same with Neo. I do think that all these charts are correlated, and the big money that's moving Dogecoin is the same money that's moving Ethereum Classic. Maybe not necessarily Neo and Binance Coin. By the way, I love Binance Coin. I think Binance Coin is absolutely insane. And I actually bought Binance back when it was like 33 bucks. Again, as like fool's insurance, right? I think I bought like $1,000 or so of Binance. But anyways, yeah, 100%. I do think that the same people or the same money that's going into Dogecoin is going into Ethereum Classic. 100%. There's like perfect correlation for everything. So I'll see you guys later.